A jet engine works on Newton's third law of motion. For every action, there is an equal and opposite reaction. It pulls in air, compresses it, burns fuel to create hot gases, and pushes those gases out to produce thrust, forward force. Wrench step-by-step working. 1. Air intake. Air is sucked in from the front of the engine as the plane moves forward. 2. Compression. The compressor squeezes the air, making it high pressure and ready for combustion. 3. Combustion, burning fuel. Fuel is sprayed into the compressed air and ignited. This creates very hot, expanding gases. 4. Turbine rotation. The hot gases pass through a turbine, spinning it. This turbine powers the compressor in the front. 5. Exhaust thrust. Finally, gases shoot out of the back at high speed. The reaction pushes the aircraft forward. Real-life example. Imagine blowing up a balloon and letting it go. Air rushes out, like exhaust gases. The balloon moves in the opposite direction, like the airplane. I hope you liked the way I showed the working of jet engine by relating with real-life example. Please check the description box for technical concept on multiple topics. Thank you.